Hi everyone and welcome back to the Nails channel. I'm Steffi Fernandez and today I'll be doing quite an arty design for you guys. Let's get cracking. Right, so I'm going to be starting with a color. I don't think I've used this one before, but I love it. It's called Winter Sea. Gives me a little bit of denim vibes, it's really nice kind of denim blue, a bit darker though. And I'm gonna apply 2 layers of this goodness over here, and that will be the base for our art. Okay, so we've got our nail cured and ready to go. For this design, I'm gonna be using Serious Black, of course. Yeah, don't laugh, Lucy. Serious Black. I'm gonna be using as well a color called Old Soul. And I'm gonna be using, is it Juniper? I think it is. Yes, it is. I'm gonna be using a Juniper as well, just for a little bit of shading. And I'll also be using a matte top coat, foil glue, and some of our gorgeous transfer foils at the end. Okay, so I'm gonna start mapping out a silhouette of a woman with beautiful brown skin just like me on the nail. So I'm gonna go ahead and just paint kind of a line down the nail, just like so. What I love about this color, by the way, guys, is that look how dark the background is, yet it's super opaque on top. Look.
I see.
Just so good, right? So I'm gonna do that line over here, a little bit of a cheek, and then you get your, what is it called? Chin.
Trying to think of what you meant.
It happens. So I've got the chin, and then I'm gonna go in and just continue it nicely to the side, just like so. And I'm filling in as I go. Right, so we've got our nail cured. I'm going to be using Serious Black now, and I'm going to start mapping out her hair. So I'm just outlining the top of the head that I've painted, just like so. And then I'm going to start kind of painting what looks like steps going downwards just to meet the back of the head, like so. So I've done that, and I'm going to start filling in the top, just like so. I'm going to try and bring a little bit here so it looks a bit more of a ear, because I want to do some earrings on her. I'm adding the hair, and then I'm going to add something that looks like a bit of a bun, because I want to do a hairstyle on this, but I don't know if I'll have enough space. We can try. And I'm gonna be filling in this over here. And now I'm going to be doing a few circles on the side as if she's got her hair tied. Right, cure it again. So lovely. I'm gonna go into Juniper and pick up a little bit on my brush, and I'm just gonna kind of paint just the lips. So a little bit of a mountain and another one, but just a bit longer this time, and I'm gonna fill the upper lip just like so. And then I'm going to do another tiny liner underneath, but I'm not going to fill it in. I'm going to add a little bit more detail on the ear here. And I'm going to add a little bit of a detail on the chin area. So, and I'm going to do a little bit of shading on the arm just here. I'm going to continue it here as well. I'm going to remove most of the color from the brush, and I'm just going to stroke just underneath where I've applied the color with a clean brush. That will help me kind of blend in the color. Just with a clean brush. Just like that. I don't want the blending to be too neat. I think it looks nicer when it's especially when it's abstract, when it's not as gradient, if it makes sense. But let me take my 3D brush and help it kind of blend slightly more. There we go. Don't want it to be a clean blend, but I don't want it to be streaky either.
Yeah. I get what you mean.
So I've got that, and I'm gonna do a little bit of highlight, or a little bit of like a darker section at the top of the face as well, just to add a bit more detail over here. And then I'm gonna blend it again with my 3D brush. Just bring it downwards a little bit. Blend the ear. And I'm happy with this. I'm gonna pop this into the lamp and then we'll carry on. Right, so we've got our lady ready over here. I'm gonna add some foil like I said. But before we do that, I want to apply a thin layer of our Ultra Matte top coat. I mean, of course, matte is the one for this design, right?
Yeah, 100%.
It's definitely not a shiny one for this design, guys. Although, you know, shiny is my thing. But this deserves a matte one. Look how stunning that is, Luz.
Oh, the matte top coat makes such a difference.
Cool. Right, just to finish off this design, I've applied some foil glue onto my palette. It's clear, so you might not be able to see it. I'm just going to pick up some of that foil glue, and I'll start painting her ears. Not her ears, the earrings. So I'm going to go in and just do a bit of a circle on here. And then going to go do another kind of circle underneath. Don't know if you're getting this on camera, Luz, but it is hard. Is it because I'm painting with clear, and got some big earrings, just like me. I'm gonna
make a statement.
I'm gonna pop this in for 30 seconds. and then we'll go in with our foil. So I've got this cured over here. Please work, please work, please work. I've got my foil glue, my foil, and I've chosen the, I don't know where I put the foils, but I've chosen, it's here.
And you know.
Come on. So I've got this, and I've chosen this rose gold over here. It's like a coppery. Yeah. This is a rose gold, a coppery kind of. Yeah, and I'm going to apply that on the ear and pray that it sticks properly, please. So I'm going to just press it onto the nail. I'm just going to go back and forth just in case, because I don't want to be in a situation where it doesn't. Ready, Luz?
Yeah,
ready. I'm not ready,
Go,
not
go
mentally.
You got this, Steffi.
Okay. Boom. Okay, okay. It's gone
good.
through.
Yeah.
A little bit too much, but not something we can't fix, right?
Yep, can fix all these little things.
Can fix those things. I'm gonna just remove the foil. So a little bit more than usual transferred, but that is okay because I need to top coat this anyway, and then I can wipe off the excess of what's transferred, if it makes sense. So I'm going to be using our Urban Graffiti, where are y'all? Top coat. So I'm going to apply a little bit on my palette, and I'm just going to go over the areas that I want to stick. So I'm just going to basically top coat this bit over here. This bit over here. And this is the final look, guys. Look how stunning it is. Lucy, well done on the foil idea. I wouldn't have thought about. I was actually going to paint the earring in like a minty color, but then Lucy was like, why don't you try foil? And he was doing like subtle. Great idea.
Thank you very much.
It looks really cool. I love it. Matte with a little bit of bling, you know. And she's got big earrings like me, so
even better.
even better. Beautiful skin, beautiful earrings. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this really cool video. Thank you so much for watching, and as usual, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you all on the next one. Take care.